This is a very rare Amiga monitor. It's the A2024, also known as the Hedley Hi-Res, from the famous engineer at Commodore named Hedley Davis. He developed this together with Sony, and it's a flicker-free high-resolution monitor for the Amiga. And you can connect it to your A2000, your A500 or your A1000. A600 and so on, and you will get grayscale picture that is perfectly flicker free in high resolution. The Amiga has this problem that if you went high res in Workbench, or maybe you went high res in Deluxe Paint, you would get this horrible flickering in the screen and you would get a headache. And this solves the problem, at least for viewing big documents and lots of information on the screen in grayscale. This is a perfect option for the Amiga. It wasn't very popular because it was grayscale, so it's pretty rare today, and it has the coolest on-off light there at the Commodore logo. I will show you later. It's the perfect touch to this beautiful screen. This one is in mint condition. The manual and disc and the monitor itself is in perfect condition. The box has a few scars, but the monitor is even the color is perfectly, you know, crisp in the case, and nothing is yellow. And I'm filming this manual so you can pause and read if you want. Otherwise you can just continue and fast forward to the other segments of this video. Just look at that perfect office gray color. And here's the back. You got your vertical hold, your vertical size, and some other buttons. Made in Taiwan in May 1990. And looking at the serial number, I would say they buffed it up a bit, because I don't think they sold 5.2 million or even above that. No, I think they sold 100,000 maybe of these. What do you guys think? Anybody know? Leave a comment. And for you German guys, you can read your own language there. This is the manual again, perfect condition. And this is the disc that comes with the monitor, jump start disc. It's a Workbench 1.3 with a special driver for the monitor. And now she's turned on, and you can see the beautiful touch there to the logo, the power LED in the Commodore logo. And we're loading Workbench, which is the operating system for the Amiga. I was thinking we just do a little test here. We go into the settings and we change the resolution to high res, so you can see the flicker-free high res on this nice monitor. And if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share, and I see you with another project really soon.